How to change lowercase letters to uppercase letters on Excel. Easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you Excel simplified. So how do you change letters in Excel without having to, go ahead and change them yourself? So how do you apply Excel formulas onto letters? So it's very simple, very easy. And if you were someone like me that had been running from Excel sheets because you thought they were so complicated, don't worry, just sit down and watch this video because it's just so simple, and I can't believe I wasted all my time asking other people to help me out when all of these things are so easy to do. So you can see I have some text over here. These are just random things, and you can see some of these letters are bottom case, like lowercase, some of these are uppercase, so like mixed text. So now I will add some more text. So you can see I've added quite a bunch of text. Some of this is totally lowercase, some of this is totally uppercase, and other text is just mixed. So how do you actually convert it into lowercase or uppercase text? So it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to select the column where you want it to be lowercase, and then you're just going to select that cell over here. Then you're going to type in is equal to, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type low. So you're going to select lower over here, and then you're going to select where you want the data to come from. So I want it to come from this cell over here. And then once you've done that, you're just going to place your mouse at the edge of the cells that have been selected over here. So now you're just going to drag this. And now just like that, the same thing has been applied. So you can see all of the text has appeared in a bottom or a lower text. So that is how simple and easy it is to convert mixed text into lowercase if you want to do the same to uppercase. So what you're just going to do is you're going to type in is equal to, then you're going to choose the upper function, then you're going to choose where you want your text to be from. Just like that. And once you enter the cell name, you're just going to close the bracket, and now you're going to drag and drop this to the end of your text, and now you can see all of the text has appeared in uppercase. So you can do this for a lot of different things. So I'm going to open up a blank canvas to show you guys exactly how you can use this in so many different ways. Now I'm just going to open this up. Now once you have a simple Excel sheet, let's say you have multiple different data entries. So if I open up a simple template and I have like this is of data entry. So what I can do is, first off, I'm just going to expand these over here like so, and then I'm going to give them more width like this. So you can see I have all of these data input information. So what I can do is, I'm going to select the B cell, and maybe I want to column over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on insert. I'm going to insert a specific column. So I've added a new column, which is the B column over here. And now I'm going to expand it like this. So we're just going to try to expand it like so, expanding the B column. And then instead of maybe having, small text all over, I wanted to have capital text. So now what I can just do is I can simply click on over here, and I can click on the top. I'm going to click on is equal to. I'm going to type in upper, and then I'm going to add where I want the text to be from. Close this, and now I'm going to drag this down. And just like that, you have all of the data in capital form. And obviously this is just stylized data, so you can fill formatting only or fill without formatting or have a flash fill. So we're going to have fill formatting only, or you can have fill without formatting and have flash fill as well. So you can really choose whatever you want. If you want the formatting, just fill without formatting, and it will copy the formatting style as well for the selected data. So it has copied most of it, and then these bars are just stylized things that you can add later on. And that is how simple and easy it is going to be for you to create different text layouts. So not only this, you can add a lot more with your Excel sheets in this way. You can add so many other formulas as well. And this really helps you in making your Excel sheets look very professional, because sometimes when you're looking at an Excel sheet, it just doesn't look very good. So you want to make it look as good as possible, and the best way to do that is have a very unique look or have a very cohesive look, and this will enable you to have the cohesive look that you wanted. So you can just select all of this like that, and then have is equal to lower or upper like this. I'm just going to select all these cells over here. So we can just select all of this from here and, copy that over there. So that is just a simple way. I'm going to show you guys this once more. If I want to copy this data, I want to delete this later on. So you cannot, directly select all of this and make it all capital. Instead, you will have to do something along the lines. So we will select this data field, and then you're going to click on is equal to, and then we're just going to select this like this. Then you can add the second thing, which could be the second cell, like so. And then we're just going to close this. And obviously this has too many numbers. I accidentally selected the dates for too long, but we're just going to close that ahead like that, like so, and so. So you can really just select any data that you want to convert it to uppercase or lowercase like this. So that is just, obviously depending on the type of data that you are selecting. Obviously, if you have more numbers, like this sheet has a lot of numbers, that is why it is not letting me do the upper and lower case. Obviously, if I want to do it, I will have to select each cell individually, which could sometimes be a tiresome process, but it is a lot more easier than having to type everything myself. So I can do that as well. So now, with these simple functions, you can do a lot more with Excel other than just changing small letters into larger letters. There is so much more that you can do with these kinds of things. So first off, if you have like a detailed chart, this is like a very simple little Excel sheet. But if you have something that is more detailed, like a annual financial report, like things like this have a lot of different text, and you might not be able to format it all in the same way when you are entering data. And that will enable you to, and these kind of functions will enable you to have a cohesive look of all of your data. So you can see over here, if I have all of these little sections over here and I want them all to look very cohesive, then I can just insert a new column just like that. I can click on insert, and then I can expand this column and then create a replica of all of this text in a lowercase or uppercase format, whatever I prefer. Not only that, but you can apply other formulations as well. There are summation formulations, there are subtraction formulation, percentages, and so much more that you can do. Plus, with the text on Excel sheets, there is wrapping available as well. So if you take a look at wrap text, you can wrap it around specific graphs and charts as well, other than just, being able to make sure that it all looks cohesive. But if you just select all of your text over here, then you can click on wrap text and then wrap it to a certain graph or a certain image, because if the text is going over the graph or over the image, it might not look good. So that is why it's very essential to know all of these basic skills with Excel, because it is such a basic tool and it is so essential because it is widely used everywhere. And storing your data in an Excel sheet is going to be so much more helpful than having to actually store your data in maybe any other format. Any CSV file or any other file is never going to be as efficient as an Excel file, because Excel will work day and night. It really doesn't matter where you are working in. You can select whatever section you want to enter the new text on. You can just enter in is equal to, and then we can add upper just like that, and then we can select what text we want to enter, and then we're just going to close it. And then just like that, you can replicate all of your data input from over here, and I'm just going to expand this column so all of the text is expanded. And just like that, it is just a simple way for you to expand your text or refigure or reformat your text in a simpler and easier manner. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now learning your way around Excel. Now, if you have any questions or any queries regarding Excel, Microsoft, or anything else, make sure to ask in the comment box down below. I will help you out and I will tell you anything you need to know about Excel or any other platform that you are using. And if you're confused about anything, make sure to ask. And there are a lot of people that will help you in the comment section as well. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you're looking for more videos on how to use Excel and how to get started with the Excel platform, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos as well. I have a couple of more videos on Excel, and you can really learn all the basics that you need to do, and you can cover all of those basics. And once you have done that, you will be a pro at Excel sheets. And don't ever feel overwhelmed that you cannot do this, because it's very simple and easy. And if you know someone that is working on Excel sheets and they are dumbfounded, they are lost in Excel sheets, then make sure to share this video with them as well. Excel so you can help a person out. And I will catch you guys in the next video.